Made in France. Borosilicate tempered glass lid is tight-fitting and retains moisture, while letting you keep an eye on food as it cooks. Smooth enamel bottom works on all stovetops. Rough texture interior results in exceptional browning. Requires no seasoning. Experience our perfect pot, now with a handy glass lid. The Staub Cocotte is unsurpassed for slow cooking meats and vegetables to tender perfection, and for simmering hearty stews and soups. Cast iron possesses exceptional heat-retaining qualities, so the pot heats evenly throughout. With a heavy-weight, tight-fitting borosilicate tempered glass lid that retains moisture, you can expect moist, perfectly cooked food every time you use this pan. Available in matte colors or a Majolique enameled finish, a special three-step technique that imbues the color with brilliance and depth. Rooted in French culinary heritage, Staub cookware is beloved by professional and home chefs for its exquisite craftsmanship, exceptional performance, and timeless beauty. Each Staub Cocotte effortlessly and elegantly transitions from the oven to the table. You can cook and serve in the same dish. These heirloom pieces can be lovingly passed from generation to generation. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely love it. I own the original Cocotte with cast iron lid. I love it, but it's always a hassle having to check continuously to figure out the doneness of MG food. Also, the lid is oh so heavy. I was super excited when this came out, though folks kept on saying the glass lid is inferior than cast iron in heat and moisture retention. I'm happy to report that after having tried this out cooking several dishes, I honestly can't tell the difference between the two. While the dew formation actually blocks 75% of my view with the glass lid, but it serves my original intent of being able to see the food without having to lift the lid. The lid is also much lighter and price is much more friendlier. For these reasons I definitely recommend this product.